Welcome to InfoAI Challenge, the channel where knowledge meets pure excitement. Today's video might just change how you see your future and your job. Imagine this: you study for years, build a career. Then one smart robot replaces you in seconds. AI isn't coming, it's already here and it's hungry for jobs. Stick around because we're revealing 10 real jobs that are disappearing fast. Will yours be next? Tell us in the comments. Which job do you think will vanish first? Let's get into it. 1. Customer support agents. AI voice bots now handle thousands of calls at once without breaks or bad moods. 2. Drivers. Taxi and truck self-driving vehicles are already on the roads. Google and Tesla are leading the charge. 3. Cashiers. Stores like Amazon Go use AI-powered systems that let you shop and walk out, no humans needed. 4. Writers and journalists. AI now writes full news articles, blogs, even scripts fast, clear, and scarily good. 5. Tech support. AI solves technical problems in seconds, 24/7, no waiting lines. 6. Financial analysts. AI algorithms analyze markets and predict trends faster than any human ever could. 7. Translators. Real-time translation with shocking accuracy in over 100 languages. AI is already doing it. 8. Basic designers. AI tools like Doll, V, and Canva. AI can generate logos, posters, and more in seconds. 9. Warehouse workers. Robots can now pick, pack, and ship with extreme precision non-stop. 10. Personal assistants. AI tools schedule meetings, send emails, and manage calendars better than real assistants. Here's the bottom line. If your job includes repetition or clear rules, AI might already be learning it. If your job's not on this list, great, but will it still be safe in 10 years? Smash that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing content right here on InfoAI Challenge.